people are ordering their Model 3s, they have to make choices on what options to get. And when the exterior, one of the choices they have is the Aero rims or the sport rims. Now a lot of people don't like the look of the Aero rims, but the sport rims here look pretty nice, but they're $1,500 option. So there is a $50 option. All we have to do is go over to the Tesla store here and shop. And right here, the Aero Wheel Cap Kit. In this kit is this center cap and 5 covers for your wheel. This is the standard rim that's underneath the Aero covers. So when you pull off the Aero cover, this is what you have, but this is empty here, and these lug nuts do not have covers. These are plastic covers. So in this kit includes all what you need to do all 4 wheels on the Model 3. So this is a $50 option. So this is pretty cheap compared to $1,500. The kit here, you get your 4 caps and the lug nut covers for all 4 wheels also. An extraction tool. Removing the covers is literally a snap to get them off. And putting the center cover on, you just press in easily, pops right in. The lug nut covers go on very easily too. And this is what the finished wheel looks like.